Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody left me a message on one of my videos and asked why I convert an object to an outline to an object versus just converting it to a curve. So if you look, and this is why I do it, I'm going to make it both red. I'm going to make a duplicate of this guy. And on this one, I'm going to convert it to an outline. Go to Object and Convert to an outline. The reason I do it is I can do this. I can left click, right click, and I've got two lines. If I take this one and convert it to a curve, it's still a line because I can't do this. I can only change the color. The other reason I do it, let me just show you here. Let me back up to where I just had. So this is let's make sure it's an object. Convert the outline to an object. And on this one, I'm going to convert it to a curve. The other reason I do it is if I want to use the interactive fill tool on this, if I get the interactive fill tool and I want to change the color, it changes the inside. If I do this one, it changes the line. So I can make my circle a different color. So that's the difference between an outline, and also, I mean, an outline is so readily neat because you can do stuff like, if I convert this to an outline or an object, and then I'll left click, right click, this is where you can get like the interactive or intersect tool, or even just the interlocking rings. Because we've got two set of lines, we can take the virtual segment delete key and delete this line going this way and come around here and then delete this line going this way. And you're going to appear that when you fill these in, that they're going to be interlocking. Because we can make that one black and make this one red, and they're actually interlocked. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.